Welcome to the Crayon Art activity. The first thing you'll want to do is replace your name on that first slide, then visit slide number 2 and read the directions. This first video will give you an idea about the Craiyon app. You're going to be creating art using Craiyon, an AI art generator. So here is an example of what you will be doing on this project. So here's an example of impressionism using watercolor of sunflowers in a field. So you want to put in keywords that will generate a certain image. So you can scroll through that to see the different examples and look at the keywords to see what was generated. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this site, the Craiyon site, and you can log in. I usually log in with Google. I'll use my account and I'll log in. And I'm ready to start. So I'm going to want to put in keywords and then click draw. So there's a couple options. You could put in your own keywords, but here's a list of art styles. You can add a certain type of style, and then you could also add a certain art medium, and then you'll want to go ahead, if you look at the example at the top, the art style, medium, object, and location. That's an option. Or you can look at the prompts. These were generated on ChatGPT. So you can look through these. So for example, number 2, Cubist artwork plus oil paint, jazz band, and city rooftop. I'm going to do Control C after I select that, or I can right click and choose copy. I will go back to the Craiyon site. I will right click and choose paste, and then I will click draw. After pasting it, you will need to wait patiently as it generates the images. Maybe while you're waiting, you can look at some other prompts, or you can come down below and generate your own prompt, which would be very interesting as well. I highly encourage you to be creative with your own keywords that you use to get images. So here they are. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to go ahead and do screenshot. What that does is it adds an image into your downloads folder of your computer. So you'll come back to the activity, and what I encourage you to do is choose the prompt that you used. With that copied, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select this and I'm going to do edit, paste without formatting. You want to keep the formatting of the font to keep it consistent on all slides. Then you're going to select the gray image. You will choose replace image, upload from computer, and it took me to my downloads folder. You need to know how to get to your downloads folder. So you can double click and add that image. You're going to do that for the remainder of these slides to get different prompts and different image examples. When you are finished getting a variety of different examples, you're going to go to slide 13 and you're going to look at the reflection and provide your insight into what you feel about AI generated art. This concludes the session on how to use the Craiyon Art site. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.